So, speaking of the Maga proposal that we have talked about many times over the past week, we've learned some important details in the last 24 hours. First, we learned Speaker McCarthy's bill would cut the American economy off at the knees. In a new analysis, Moody's Analytics finds that the Speaker's legislation would increase the odds of a recession, cost 780,000 jobs, weaken the economy, and increase the unemployment rate. Second, the Department of Health and Human Services released new analysis showing how Speaker McCarthy's proposal would jeopardize health care for 21 million Americans who are enrolled in Medicaid. It would reduce access to health centers across the country. An estimated 630,000 patients in rural areas could lose access to health centers. And third, the Department of Education shared how the Speaker's bill would remove up to 60,000 teachers from classrooms, reduce support for as many as 7.5 million children with disabilities, gut funding for schools serving low-income students, slash mental health and violence prevention services, eliminate student debt relief for more than 40 million Americans, and make college more expensive by reducing Pell Grants for millions. It's clear that the Speaker's bill breaks House Republicans' commitment to America. In the run-up to the 2022 election, House Republicans promised to put cops on the beat. Instead, they're fighting to put fentanyl on the street by defunding Border Patrol. Their proposal makes clear that only things House Republicans are committed to giving to Americans are increased crime, lower economic growth, and more manufacturing jobs sent back to China. The Speaker's position is that unless the President and the Senate agree to that job-killing, cost-increasing, anti-farm, anti-healthcare, anti-education agenda, they're going to default and crash the economy. That's not just unreasonable, but it's also incredibly dangerous. Instead of playing these games, they should avoid default, take it off the table, and have a conversation with the President, his administration, and other congressional leaders about the budget, about spending,